Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because we're about to dive into a camper that makes your regular van life look like, well, a van life. Well, brace yourselves because the CyberPhoenix is here, proving that impossible isn't in its vocabulary. Picture this, a Cybertruck, the very embodiment of angular futurism, turned into the perfect camping companion. That's right, Robbie Rowe from Phoenix Campers has taken one look at this beast and said, "Challenge accepted." And the result? A slide-in camper that makes the Cybertruck even more impressive. But before we dive deeper into this electric, solar-powered dream, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Because why just watch us on this wild ride when you could join the Cool Ideas community and enjoy more automotive adventures? And now, let's jump into the CyberPhoenix. The CyberPhoenix is the brainchild of Robbie Rowe, the same mastermind who thinks outside the box when it comes to campers. You see, the Cybertruck's angular design makes most campers look like they belong in the Jurassic period, but Robbie saw a challenge, not an obstacle. He took that sharp, futuristic form and sculpted the CyberPhoenix, a camper that is the perfect sidekick to your Cybertruck. What's even crazier is that this bad boy doesn't just slap on a traditional camper design. Oh no, this is a low-profile genius creation that slides right into the Cybertruck's bed, transforming it into a fully functional, off-the-grid mobile home. It even matches the Cybertruck's iconic windshield angle, making sure your camper-truck combo is just as sleek as a model from the future. And if you've ever tried getting a traditional camper to fit on a Cybertruck, you know it's like trying to make a giraffe fit in a Mini Cooper. Yet, here we are. Let's talk about the specifications that make this camper a game-changer. The CyberPhoenix is designed to fit snugly on the Cybertruck, thanks to its clever custom-fit layout. With the roof down, it's just 83 inches, 6 feet 11 inches or 2.1 meters, and it fits into a standard 7-foot garage, which is pretty impressive for something that can turn your Cybertruck into a mobile fortress. We've got 800 watts of semi-flex solar panels on the roof. That's enough to power your devices, run lights, and even keep your fridge cold while you're out there living the van life in the future. The CyberPhoenix comes with a beefy 400 amp-hour lithium battery, making sure you're fully self-sufficient without relying on your truck's battery. However, if you're feeling generous, you can even feed power back into the Cybertruck. It's the energy equivalent of a gift that keeps on giving. Inside, you'll find a spacious dinette, a comfortable bed, and even a Sobo Bullfinch shower fixture for those of you who want to wash away the day's adventures in style. And no, you won't be sliding off the bed thanks to some nifty design tricks that elevate the seating area. Price? Now, we know the future isn't cheap, but if you've got around 59,995 United States dollars, you're in luck. That's the price for this high-tech camping setup, which is definitely a steal when you consider all the features, especially if you plan to take your Cybertruck on some off-the-beaten-path journeys. And don't forget, there's a link to the official product website in the video description, just in case you want to start planning your future CyberPhoenix road trip. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. You know you want to see what we come up with next.